Here is one of the platform developer one question, and the question is, okay, in the Salesforce organization there are 100 account records, okay, and this following code is executed in the developer console. After this code block executes, how many accounts will be available in the Salesforce org? That's the question. Okay, let's try to understand what the question is. Here they are creating an instance for account and then setting the name field to account and then inserting an account record. So 100 plus 1, 101. Okay, that is fine. So 250 times this loop will execute, and for each time they are inserting, account record. If there is any exception, then it comes to catch block. And then finally, after this, there is one more insert statement outside of this block. Okay, so there are four options: 100, 101, 102, and 252. Out of this, which one is correct? Okay, let's understand. There is something wrong in this code. Can you find out what it is? You see here, there is a DML statement used inside the for loop. So if there is any DML statement, okay, if there is some government limits in Salesforce for DML statement, it is you can execute only up to 150. If there is more than 150 DML statement, then it throws too many DML statement exception. Okay, say for an example, here this also one of the DML statement. So this is one DML statement, and here we have 250. So what happens when this code block executes? It will throw exception definitely. Anyways, there is a catch block that catches that exception. Okay, now the question is, will this? So we know for sure that this will throw definitely an exception since there is a common limit in place. So this answer is not possible. So this let me change this to 150. This is not 250. Okay, let me change this to 150. So 100 already we have 100 records, and 150 definitely this will not be possible. Okay, and so will it be 102 or 101 or 100? Okay, out of these three, one should be the right answer. Okay, but you know what happens if the entire complete set, if this entire code block executes properly, only then Salesforce commits the record to the, but since we used insert statement here. Okay, since we used insert, unless this entire block executes, okay, even the first statement will not be committed to the database. Okay, so in that case, if there is any exception caught here, definitely we will, this record will not get stored. So the answer should be 100. We'll try the same in deep, that is in workbench, and see what it is. Okay, let me execute the count and see how much are there. So now at present I have 100 records. Okay, here is the code block. Let me execute this. Okay, you see here it says 102 many DML statements. Okay, let me go and see whether at least the first one got inserted. It should not be done. Okay, still we have 100 records. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, let me change the statement little bit to database.insert. Database.insert. Okay, let me execute the same state of logic. I have not made any changes. Okay, there is a syntax error, so it should be database.insert. So again we got this exception, but see, at least the first one is executed properly. Okay, so still if you even use database.insert, the entire statement, that is, if there is any error in this list, If there is any error in this list, only that record will be skipped from the transaction. Other than that, whether you use database.insert or just an insert, unless this entire set of code is executed properly, none will get updated in the system. Okay. Okay. So the reason why the only difference between database.insert and insert is, in database.insert, if there is a list, okay, that updates 100 records, if any one or two record fails with the validation or something else in the system, okay, in such case, then it will update 98 records, and then that skips two records. Okay. So this is so the answer for this question is 100. Okay, thank you for watching.